I never thought I'd be this excited about batteries, but here we are. Okay, so energy is kind of a big deal, right? It's literally everywhere, powering our phones, cars, and that weird gadget you bought online at 2 a.m. But the thing is, we need to get smarter about how we make and use energy if we want to keep this planet habitable. That's where physics and some seriously cool battery tech come in. So physics. It's not just for nerdy textbooks anymore, it's the secret sauce behind sustainable energy. You know how they say energy can't be created or destroyed? That's the first law of thermodynamics, and it's like the golden rule of energy. We're not making new energy, we're just moving it around and changing its form. Wind turbines, solar panels, all that stuff? They're basically energy transformers and not the cool robot kind. But here's the kicker. Renewable energy sources like wind and solar are great, but they're kind of unreliable. The sun doesn't always shine and the wind doesn't always blow when we need it to. That's where American Lithium Energy's batteries come in. They've got this crazy tech called 0 volt and SafeCore that makes batteries safer and more efficient.